Working on your motorcycle? There is a stand for that. Do you service your own motorcycles? Are you in need of a great set of work stands? We offer an excellent set of tools for your garage or race trailer. Would you like to be able to easily work on a bike at the track or at home? For ease of oil changes, new tires, or just cleaning and detailing. A stand that is effortless to use and easy to store. One that is also adjustable with low lift effort and lots of clearance for working. Have you seen Woodcraft's adjustable height stand system? These tools offer an ultra-low lift effort, easier wheel changes, removable uprights for transport, and extra details such as axle holders and more. And best of all, they are made in the USA. This stand system is height adjustable and attachments are available for multiple purposes. Optional lifting devices are available for both your front and rear stand to accommodate any configuration. This front stand can be set in multiple configurations. By changing the lifting device on the adjustable height tube, it can be set up for bikes with a single disc which uses a pin inserted into the hole under the fork leg on many bikes. This image shows the lifting device for bikes with radial mounted discs and can be modified for clearance of a speed sensor and other wiring. This device lifts from under the radial caliper mounts for ultimate instability. The next version uses various sized pins and mounts in the center hole of your lower triple clamp. This allows for the entire front end to be removed to service or replace your fork tubes. Lift pins of various sizes are available for most bike make and models. The last stands you may ever need to purchase. A complete stand system.